Hey, welcome back to another YouTube video. So I'm fishing at Tunnel Barn this weekend, fishing a 2-day club festival for 4 Counties Club. We're 20 anglers and we're all on new pool today. I've gone and drawn peg 4. Now I don't fish Tunnel Barn. I fished it a weekend. There was the same sort of thing, club festival last year and the year before. I've only ever fished this place 4 times in total. So not really experienced at it. It's hard to know how to fish it when you don't fish a venue, but I'm going to give it a go today. So I've got some meat for a short line. I've got maggots as well and ground bait for my margins, and I've got maggots as well for fishing a shallow line later on. So really, I'm going to start off on the meat. I've seen some fish surface on the peg next to me on peg 3, so I'm going to prime that as well straight away, and hopefully we're going to pick off a few F1s. But carry on watching, guys. Hopefully you're going to get a few fish. Like I say, today is just about learning, really practicing how to fish this place. It is a match. Obviously I want to try and catch as much as I can, but it's just about coming out, having a good time, and hopefully catching a few fish. So carry on watching and let's see how we get on. Okay, so I'm going to get the all in very soon. Won't be long now. So I've seen a few fish actually start to surface over there, and there's like a sort of a little bay near the reeds. I think I'm going to start actually catapulting some maggots over there. I'm going to still go on my meat line, start off with short, but I'm going to keep catapulting some maggots over there and just see if I can start getting a few more swirls. And if I start seeing those fish, then I'm going to go over there. But I'm going to still start off on the short line with meat. And there's definitely bubbles as well down sort of this middle area. Keep appearing, so you know there's definitely some fish on the bottom, stirring the bottom up. Okay, just add the oil in. So first off, I'm just going to get some maggots out there. We're going to go on this meat line. Okay, so start off, like I say, on the meat line. Just going to pop those in. And I'm going to just keep those maggots going out. There we go. I've just seen actually a little swirl over there. But we can start off and just see what happens down here on this short line. There we go, fish on. Real positive bite, that one. Little F1. So we are 10 minutes into the match. Had my first proper bite. Had a couple of tiny indications, then I got that positive bite. So not dry netting today. And for me, that's all that matters. And if I keep learning, come away from today learning a few things, putting a few fish in the net, I'll be happy. Oh, missed it. Another bite then. Right, I might up my hook length because my hook size, sorry, because I have only put a size 16 hook on. Mainly because I do like to start off on a 16 if I'm fishing for F1s. I'm just trying to really be a little bit more refined, but if you're missing them, then what I have found in the past, just upping that hook size can just get you those extra fish. So I'm just going to see how this goes. Interesting. Having a look around, I can see some people gone in the margins straight away. In fact, people who actually fish here on a regular basis. There we go, another fish. Gotta be careful today. I got this tree on my left. If the hook comes out, I want it to be coming over my shoulder. Ooh, where's he off? feels like a carp. So 3 nets today, just literally splitting the fish across the nets, nice and even. So we go again, a little bit of meat. So, like I say, I've got a size 16 hook on, but it's okay at the moment. We've had 2 fish in the space of a few minutes. So, like I say, today and tomorrow it's basically a club, call it a club festival match, spread over 2 days. We've got prize money on each day. Then there's obviously a prize money for the top anglers over the 2 days, and it's really more of a social as well, to get out with a bunch of guys, like-minded, all a good laugh, good fun to be with, and go out tonight, no doubt, have a few beers, try and get everybody else drunk. But that doesn't normally happen. It's normally me. Then I wake up with a rough head. So I should come here more often, really, and try fishing here, get to know it a little bit more. Like I say, it's just very new to me, and it's like any venue. You've got to fish them on a regular basis to do well. You understand the fish behaviour. Oh, got an indication. Understand the sort of, the depths and all of that, and different types of techniques. There we go. Feels like a bit of a better fish. Well, much the same. So, angler on my right is actually catching shallow. That's what I've noticed. And he's hooked into another one. So even though I'm catching a few here, and I've missed a few bites, lost a couple of fish, got fish here, but it's about trying to compete against the others. And if an angler's catching shallow at a quicker rate than yourself, then you've probably got to go and do that. But I'm enjoying this at the moment, so I'm just going to stick it out for another 10 minutes. And if I could just keep getting a few more bites, putting a few more fish in the net in this first hour, there we go, I'll be quite happy. Small F1. There we go, another fish on. So the angler on to my right is on the opposite bank. I'm not sure what peg that is. He's catching a little bit quicker than me now, and he's fishing shallow. Oh, I missed him. Terrible netting. Terrible netting. Yeah, he's catching a bit quicker shallow. But there's another angler near me who's doing the same, and he's not catching. So I think I'm going to stay on this line. Nice F1. There we go. Ooh. Definitely put a pound on the net for that one. probably a little bit more. That's probably closer to 2. So we go again, same routine, not going to change nothing yet. Piece of meat on the hook, 3 pieces of meat in the pot. Just going to wet those. I just find that I always feel like they just sink quicker. Put them in, and while that's settling, put some maggots out on the far bank. And that will be the routine now. And just had an indication. So yeah, that'll be the routine until this line goes a bit funny. Stop catching. But while I'm getting bites, I'd be silly to come off it. There we go, fish on. So we're now coming up to an hour and 10 minutes into the match, and these bites have slowed down. I've missed a couple as well, so it's not going to be much longer, and I'm going to go over there and just try a shallow line. Okay, so we're now going to try the shallow line. The meat line started just going really slow, and just wasn't really sort of getting the bites. It slowed down, and the bites I were getting were just very funny bites. So at the moment I just got a normal rig on, just sort of laying it in, slapping it over. So I want to see what happens really before I go to the overshotted rig. I've got a jigger set up, but I just want to see if I just get any indications. So interesting, one of the anglers who was catching on my right, shallow, he's come off it. He's gone back into his margin, which is quite interesting because he appears to be catching. So unless he's also found it's gone a bit funny, he's not catching as much or as often. So I've not had any indications yet. Okay, so I've just gave this now easily 10 minutes. I've just not had any sign, nothing. I feel like if there's fish here feeding, I'd have had a take. Okay, so nothing over there on that shallow line. I'm not going to really waste too much time trying to force something that may not be quite right yet. But I'm going to have a look on the margin. Okay, so just going to go over this left-hand margin where I've been potted in a few cubes of meat over the last sort of 10-15 minutes. I've put in 2 lots, so just want to see if there's anything coming down here. There we go. Well, that didn't take long, did it? I guess I've got decent fish there in the margin. Certainly better than what I was getting earlier. So let's try that again. Put a couple of pieces of meat in. Put that in, bring the float over the top. And there we go, got a skimmer. There's been a few of these back today. Nice fish. There we go. Well, I've managed to find some fish. Finally. The only thing I can catch on today is meat. So go again. We've now got some fish down here on the left margin. So pot those in, drag it up the slope over the top of the cubes of meat, and then what's happened to those last, and again straight away. It's almost like they're just coming up the slope, snatching it and pulling it down the slope. But I found a few fish, and that is the main thing now. Get some decent F1s now. Here come the rain, guys. I think I'm going to have to put the camera away. There you go, guys, we've had the all out and I've already got weighed in. A really tough one today. Unfortunately, we had a downpour of rain. I had to put the camera away in that last 45 minutes. Everything was just getting soaking wet. I did carry on catching on that short line with meat, and I could only catch on meat today, unfortunately. I don't know why. I couldn't catch shallow. If I put maggots on in the margin, I was just getting a little perch. So it was all about fishing meat on the short line and fishing meat on the left-hand margin. But I ended up weighing in 43 pounds. Not the best of days, but I learnt quite a lot. I made a few mistakes and I learned quite a lot, and that's what it's all about. Like I say, it's a quick video just showing you my match here at Tunnel Barn. Not the best, but the weather wasn't great and I think a lot of people have struggled. But guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free and it's easy and it only takes 2 seconds. It's a massive help, more than you know. Also, don't forget to drop the video a like. You spare 5 seconds, please do leave a comment. Let me know how your fishing is going. But guys, it's starting to rain again. I'm going to get packed up. Hope you've enjoyed it. Tight lines, and I'll see you on the next one.